Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. I hope you all are fine and safe. See, in today's video lecture we will start with your practice set 3.1. In previous video lecture we have seen standard form, coefficient form and index form of the polynomial. Now we will start with your practice set 3.1. Question number first is, state whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials and if they are not, then justify. Okay, they have given us the polynomials and they have asked where these are expressions are polynomials or not. If they are not, then we have to justify why they are not the polynomials. First algebraic expression is y plus 1 upon y. Is this the polynomial? Before that, do you remember what is meant by polynomial? If the power of the variable is the whole number, then the algebraic expression is called as what? Polynomial. Okay. If the powers of the given variables is the whole number, then the algebraic expression is called as polynomial. Then what we have to check? We have to check the powers. If power is the whole number, then it is algebraic this algebraic expression is polynomial. And if the power is not the whole number, then algebraic expression is not polynomial. As simple as that. We will solve this. This expression is not polynomial. No. We have to write the justification. So we will write it, index of x is minus 1. Okay, why it is not polynomial? Because index of x is minus 1 and minus 1 is not a whole number. Therefore, y plus 1 upon y, this algebraic expression is not a polynomial. See the second sub question from question number 1. 2 minus 5 under root of x. Is this the polynomial? If you notice x, okay, then it is not polynomial. No, it is not polynomial because index of x is minus 1 upon 2. Is 1 upon 2 and 1/2 is not the whole number. Therefore, this is not the polynomial. This algebraic expression is not the polynomial. See, next third one. It is x square plus 7x plus 9. Yes, it is polynomial. Why it is polynomial? We have to check the powers of the variables. The power of x is 2 and 2 is the whole number. If the power of the algebraic expression is the whole number, then the given expression is polynomial. So this is the polynomial. Okay, this is sub question number 3. Now we will move towards the sub question number 4, that is 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m and minus 5. Okay, is this a polynomial? No, it is not, because minus 2 is not a whole number. So, no, because index of m is minus 2. This algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Reason, because index of m is minus 2, whereas minus 2 is not a whole number. We will move towards the last question of question number 5, that is 10. 10 is a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial because there is no power, means 1, okay, and 1 is the whole number. Therefore, 10 is polynomial. Okay, so the first expression is not polynomial because index of y is minus 1. After that, we have seen the second example, 2 minus 5 under root of x. No, because index of x is 1/2. If we remove this under root sign, then how it will become like this? Then index is 1/2. Therefore, This algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Third one, see, x plus x square plus 7x plus 9. You can see the power of variable is 2, whereas 2 is the whole number. Therefore, this algebraic expression is a polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. See this one, 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. Notice, if you notice the power, then it is minus 2. Minus 2 is not a whole number. Therefore, this expression is not a polynomial. No, because index of m is minus 2 and minus 2 is not a whole number. Here it is 10. The power is nothing means 1 and 1 is the whole number. Therefore, yes, 10 is the polynomial. This is question number first from your practice set 3.1. If you want this, you can take the screenshot, but I want all the questions solved in your notebook. Question number 2 from your practice set 3.1 is, write the coefficients of m raised to 3 in each of the given polynomial. They have given us the 3 polynomials, 3 examples, and we have to write the coefficient for the m raised to 3. We will write this, see, m power 3. The number before m is nothing, that is 1. The coefficient is 1. Let's see. Second example is minus 3 upon 2 plus m minus under root of 3 m raised to 3. M raised to 3 is here. The number before this is the coefficient. So, the coefficient for this polynomial m raised to 3, the coefficient of m raised to 3 in this polynomial is under root of 3. Coefficient is nothing. You know, if they have asked you the coefficient of m cube, then you have to write the number before m cube. That's it. If here is nothing, you have to write the 1, because nothing is 1. And next one, third one from the same question is, see, minus 2 upon 3 m cube minus 5m square plus 7m and minus 1. You have to just find out. They have asked us coefficient of m cube. Where is m cube? Here. Then the number before m cube is the coefficient of m cube, that is minus 2 upon 3. That's it. As simple as that. You have to just look for the m cube. Wherever you will find the m cube, you have to write just the number before that. Keep in mind, they have asked you the coefficient of m cube, m power 3. They didn't ask you the coefficient of m raised to minus 2. Otherwise, students will write like minus 5 and along with this. No, you have to just write the coefficient of m cube or m raised to power 3. Then you have to write just that single number only, that is minus 2 upon 3. Okay. This is question number 2. Write the coefficients of m cube. Here is nothing, so we write 1. Here the coefficient of m cube is under root of 3. We have written the number, and here the coefficient of m cube is minus 2 upon 3. We have written that over here. If you want this, you can take the screenshot. We will move towards the next question, that is question number 3. See, question number 3 of practice set 3.1. Write the polynomial in x using the given information. They have given us the information. We have to write the polynomial of x. Okay. So, first of question is monomial with degree 7. What they have given us is degree 7 and it is a monomial. So, we can write m raised to 7, x raised to 7. Anything, you can write so many. Okay. Second one, binomial with degree 35. Now, binomial with degree 35. Now what they said, binomial is the having two terms in it, okay? They must be including two terms and degree is 35. So we can write for this 2x power 35 minus 7, okay? You can see two terms are there, that is binomial and degree is 35. You can write again 2y or 5y, you can write anything, 5y plus 2, okay? This is called as polynomial with degree, binomial with the degree 35. Binomial means what? There must be two terms, okay? There must be two terms and degree must be 35. So 2x minus 7 and 5y raised to 35 plus 2. These two are the examples for the binomial with degree 35. Now the third question from this, trinomial with degree 8. Now they have asked trinomial with degree 8. Trinomial means what? Having three terms in the polynomial. So we have to write three terms and degree is 8. So we will write this x raised to 8 minus 2x raised to 5 minus 3. This is how you can write the trinomial with degree 8. You can write numerous of these, okay? You can write numerous answer to this. You can write anything. Suppose they have asked monomial with degree 7. You can write anything, m raised to m power 7, x power 7, or you can write whatever, y power 7, n power 7. This is monomial with degree 7, okay? Binomial with degree 35. Binomial means what? There must be two terms in the polynomial and degree must be 35. So you can write 2x raised to 35 minus 7, 5y raised to 35 minus 7. You can write anything. You can write numerous of answers for this. They have asked just one, write polynomial in x using the given information. Okay, they have just asked the one. Trinomial with the degree 8. So we can write 8 raised to x minus 2x raised to 5 minus 3. Okay, three terms are there. It is trinomial and degree must be 8. So yes, degree it is 8. Why degree is 8? Here you can see 5. But we say the degree to the number which is greatest, okay, which is greater. So 8 is the degree. This is question number 3 from your practice set 3.1. If you want this, you can take the screenshot. Otherwise, we will move towards the next example. See, question number 4 is write the degree of given polynomials. We have to write the degree of given polynomials. Degree is what? The greatest power of the given polynomial is the degree of polynomial. Here, what will be the degree? Degree will be 0. Here, 0. Here, power is 2. Therefore, it will be 2. Here, power is 10. So, it will be 10. The greatest power, okay? Here is power is also 1, but you can't write 1 because the greatest power of given polynomial is the degree of polynomial. Now, see, this is fifth one. Power is 1. Here, power is 5. Why 5? Because here you can see 3 powers, 1, 3 and 5. You have to choose the greatest power and that will be the degree, okay? The greatest power of the given polynomial is the degree of polynomial. The greatest power is 5, therefore degree is 5. But when it comes to the polynomial in two variables, here you can see x, y, z, there are the 3 variables. Then what we have to do? We have to count, we have to add the powers for each of the term. For this term we will count the term x, y, z. We have to add the powers. For x nothing means 1, for y nothing means 1, and for z nothing means 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 3 is the power. We will count for these two, x and y. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and z 1. Now the greatest power, the greatest addition will be the degree. So greatest addition is 3, therefore 3 is the degree. Similarly, we will do for this example m raised to 3 n raised to 3 minus 3 m raised to 5 into 7 minus plus mn. For this variable we will do the same. We have to add the terms, we have to add the powers in single term. Okay, for this term 7 plus 3 is 10, we are adding powers. 5 and this one is 6 and 1 and 1 this 1 and this one is 2. So the greatest addition will be the degree. Greatest addition will be is 10. So 10 is the degree. That's why 10 is the degree for this polynomial. Okay. Degree of under root of 5 is 0. Degree of x raised to 0 is 0. Degree of x raised to 2 is 2 because 2 is the power. Under root of 2 m raised to 10 and 7 degree is 10. Here you can see 2p and minus under root of 7 degree is 1. 7y minus y raised to 3 plus y raised to 5. The greatest number will be degree, so therefore degree will be 5. But here the variables are different. Now what we have to do? We have to add the variables in each term so that the greatest addition will be the degree. So we add here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. For this is 1 plus 1 is 2 and here is 1. The greatest addition is 3, therefore degree is 3. Here we did the same. We added the powers for each term. 7 plus 3 is 10. 5 here is nothing, means 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and here is 1 plus 1 is 2. The greatest addition is 10, therefore 10 is the degree of this polynomial. This is question number 4 from your practice set 3.1 chapter polynomial. The next examples, the remaining example, that is part 2 of your practice set 3.1, we will cover in the next video lecture. I want all these 4 questions in your notebook. Thank you.